Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
My chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So guys, today, when you see from the title down below, Sports Day at University of the West Indies. I'll be running and enjoying myself. Like, come on! I need to go study for my book anyways, but I have to run for my commuters. So, I look so pretty too. So let's go. I hope I don't fall. Like, I'm praying to God, please don't let me fall. Okay, I'm a repetition. Oh my god, I feel so offended or so. I'm gonna feel so cringe. Come on, fall, jump in front of everybody. You guys haven't seen me run before. What's that? Anyways, you guys haven't seen me run before because have you? Maybe you have, but let me tell you, it's so cringe. But let's go, guys. Let's do this. We can do this. Chocolate babies, let's do this. We can do this. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's go. Walk on, guys. Some reach on the campus. Walking to commuters. No. Let me tell you the truth. One free mail coming for. Anyways, let me tell you, I'm so nervous because there's a lot of people going to look at me. I haven't run from like primary school days. Like this big running, I never did. Oh no, I did it in high school. But I never see me. So guys, because I'm hungry like that, I have to come into Arnold to get something to eat. It's water, okay? No, I'm gonna be hella thirsty. The sun is so hot. So I'm gonna look for cake looking something we can eat right now. I have little fingers, look at something on my belly. Mind me, I'm so broke. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this. Going at hello all of that. You're the one now? Oh, you're the chat like shut up. Shut right up. Like, for some reason I hate when people ask me that. Cause yeah, me know how my body look. Come on. Me and you know some of the jokes. Me and you know that. So stop asking me question. Maybe it's just my, even though I'm so social, guys, I am such an antisocial person where I don't know if it's even being antisocial. It's just like not liking when certain people talk to me. Like, I do not like it. I don't know if you guys are like this. When certain people talk to me, I'm like, be for real. Be for real. Stop asking me dumb questions. The man see me in my chat gears. Oh, you do chats? Yes, me do chats. If you want to have a different conversation with me, say, hi morning, how are you? How is your morning? Somebody can say, hi morning, good enough. You do chat? Yes. Me in a chat gears. When I must do chats. Come on, be for real. Anyways, that's just me moody. I'm just moody because I'm hungry, guys. Anyways, you remember this? I used to eat this so much when I was in high school. Like, me and my friend, them used to save up money. Like, we just buy this and do my lunch, save up money, save up our monies to just go to Content Spring and walk around and buy KFC and ice cream. Yeah, this used to starve ourselves on. See? Y'all kids don't know nothing about Content Spring, you know? You don't know nothing about Content Spring and Apple. Content Spring and Apple too, you know? I like normal place now. What happened time, babe? We used to love ourselves some Content Spring and Apple. No, sir. I wish I had my channel them time because let me tell you, you guys would be so entertained. I had more friends them time there. And so now I'm walking to the bowl to go to Sports Day by myself. My friends aren't here. My friends are maybe down there. Or then me are asleep. I am the most active one in the friends group. Nobody not active. Nobody not busy about school. Nobody not busy about school curricular activities. I'm the only enough one. So yeah, I go school now. Good. I go down bowl now. But jump up and be like say I'm a lunatic. And you guys gonna come with me because you're my little lunatics. I swear that I'm drunk. Nobody can tell me something to take even half a Molly before me come to school. But anyways. Tropical.
Oh, video. Oh, does anybody give sugar free?
Sugar free Red Bull.
Oh, that is.
No, they're on your phone. Mama, no. Together, come and catch all. There. Where's yours? No much I go on good then, man. You my boss, man. As she reach 3, she go bus. She run too fast. She go on too fast. Right.
Jesus, I can't kill him. Come to kill him. Come to kill him. Come to kill him. Come to kill him.
I just star, man. What the man never be artist, dog? No, they're on your phone. Mama, no. Together, come and catch all. There. Where's yours? No much I go on good then, man. Somebody? Go on, run! Come, Taylor! The race are back. The race. Yes, I guess they're coming here.
Anytime you read them, take your fear. Me are black and I deep with you to smoking. How feeling? I say, alright, BDG, don't you go now? Long visit China, no sunshine and golf in a pink. Now that's where me blind. See me anywhere, calm and then fun, my mind exhausted.
So guys, that was the sports day. It wasn't bad. The races were very exciting, especially Towers versus Chancellor. And I don't know, something about Towers versus Chancellor where it looked like there's something going on, because anytime Towers and Chancellor they back to back like 1-2 on the field, it looked like some uproar going in the audience. So it was very nice to see everybody coming out and representing their halls. And I did not get to go to the after party, but you guys can see that I put in some clips to show you guys what happened, but I wasn't there. It was very good. The commuters, we were supposed to participate in the cheerleading, but we never get the amount of persons that we wanted to participate, so we did not. We withdrew our application. But it was a very good sports day. I give it a 7 out of 10 because there could be more vibes and all of that, but you know we can't really control that. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.